How to fix Xbox game bar not opening on Windows 11 or 10. Now, first thing you want to do is go to your Windows search right here. Type in CMD, right click on your command prompt, run as an administrator, and then go ahead and yes. From here, all you have to do is type in sfc space /scan now. Now you'll just have to wait for the scanning to be finished and it will automatically repair by itself. Now, for us to proceed on the next steps, you just have to close this one. Next step is go back to your Windows search and type in Windows Update. Click on Enter. Now it will route you to your Windows System Update. Now, here you'll have to make sure that your operating system is up to date to the latest version. All you just have to do is click on Check for Updates, and if there will be available updates that you need to download or install to your operating system, you'll have to comply on that for us to be able to don't have any problems in the future. So just close it one if everything is set, then go back to your Windows search and type in game bar. Right click on game bar and click to app settings. From here you scroll down, you just have to click on terminate. And once you clicked terminate, go ahead and click on reset. Reset. Now once everything is set, just restart your PC and try to relaunch the Xbox again.